Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Aetna member account, secure access guide step by step clearly. To log into your Aetna member account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.aetna.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will now see two fields where you can enter your credentials. In the first field, type in your username. Make sure to enter it carefully for accurate access. Next, move to the second field and enter your password. Double-check that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. Click on the appropriate link and follow the prompts to recover your information. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to create an account. Look for the Register or Create an Account option on the login page. Click on it and follow the instructions to set up your account. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while the system processes your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your member dashboard. From here, you can access all of your account information and benefits. In case of any issues, check your internet connection and retry the process. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Aetna's customer support for assistance. Now you are ready to navigate your Aetna member account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.